Hey guys, CEO Strikers here. Today we are on a server review, and this server called Un United Crafters, and I'm gonna tour you on the server. First, I'm gonna tour you guys in the spawn. First, there is a half area here, or front area. You can try it. There is also a playground. There is also a exit spawn, and the fair is here. You want to donate? And row area is here. And this is the warp area. And this is the stuff area. And let's go to mine. On this mine there is a cobblestone, wood, sand, iron ore, coal, gold ore, bricks, diamond ore, glowstone, and another coal ore. And I'm gonna show you on the city. Let's go on warp city. And you can build a house here. There's a house here. Some house is grift, so no grift. And let's go on warp Christmas. This is a spawn for this is spawn for a Christmas. And guys, overall, goodbye.